We are at the Freedom Forest, and the name of the practice is Forest Trails and Landings. And since New Hampshire is 80% forested, a lot of our practices surface around forestry and wildlife practices.
There's over 3,800 feet of what I call woods roads or trails. Has been a phenomenal benefit just to get access to the remote areas of the property.
Some of the benefits of this practice are to protect soil and water quality, to allow the landowner periodic access to manage timber products and also wildlife habitat. And personally, I feel that Forest Trails and Landings provides a landowner an opportunity to intimately connect with the property so that they can learn about it and understand how to wisely manage their resources.
So that was actually one of the great things about NRCS. Let's put a plan together to grow the value of it, to grow the wildlife, to make sure that the natural resources stay intact.
The TSP is a technical service provider, and in this case it was a forester the landowner hired to write the plan and has also helped carry out the projects on the property.
I kind of had a personal responsibility for making sure that the natural resources stayed, and it was a great opportunity for natural wildlife habitat.